Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about implementing interfaces in Java. In Java we can implement interfaces with the implements keyword. Like an example, if we have one class A, then we can use the implements keyword and we can implement the interface I, and this way the class A is implementing the interface I. Now the class A must provide definition to the abstract method of the interface I, or the class A also has to be declared as abstract class. In Java, the interfaces can be used to implement multiple inheritance, and to do that a class can extend another class and also can implement one interface. Like an example, class A extends B and also it can implement another interface like I1, and this way we can have multiple inheritance in Java where the class A is the child class which is inheriting the parent class B and another interface I1. The class A can extend one class but can implement several interfaces, and to do that we have to separate the interfaces with commas. Like we can have comma I2 and I3, and this way one class can implement several interfaces. So in this example program we have one interface I which has one abstract method called display. Now there is one class A which is implementing the interface I using the implements keyword. Now it is the responsibility of class A to define the abstract method display. So inside the class A we're gonna define the abstract method. So I'm gonna write public void display, and this method will print interface method onto the console. Then inside the main method we have created object of the class A and called the display method. So I'm gonna save the program and I'm gonna compile and run the program, and you can see the output interface method has been printed onto the console. So this is the way we can create one interface, and the interface can be implemented to one class using the implements keyword. So this is the way we can implement interfaces in Java. Hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.